I'm pleased today to introduce to you Honorable Atupele Austin Muluzi, as my runmate in the coming election. I have decided to go with Honorable Muluzi because I want a person I can work with to unite and build this country. Honorable Muluzi understands that leadership comes with awesome responsibilities. He has shown resilience, humility, and a commitment to the security and unity of our nation. He is determined to continue to support my legacy of investment in education, infrastructure. Together will be the bridge to the future. Together, we'll win this election. I repeat, we'll win again.